There's nothing better than a home that's full of life. But often there's a different kind of life deep in your carpet. Bacteria, mold and mildew that can cause bad smells. That's why Hoover know the smart solution is to wash your carpets regularly. Introducing the new Hoover Platinum SmartWash, our latest and best performing carpet washer ever. For a deep clean that's just as easy as vacuuming, but 7 times more effective. As the region's first carpet washer with motion sense technology, it automatically washes when you push forward and dries when you pull back. Simple. And to help your carpets dry in as little as an hour, just switch to dry only mode. Hoover Platinum SmartWash kills over 99% of bacteria. And Auto Mix means you're always using the perfect mix. Its powerful rotating brush bars help remove stains and lift spills for effortless performance. And its stretch hose is perfect for sofas, stairs and car interiors too, leaving everything deep cleaned and smelling fresh. Mess? Don't stress, just Hoover it. The amazing new Hoover Platinum SmartWash. Visit hoover.ae for more information about the product.